Hi guys, thank you so much for all your advice in the comments and on Patreon as well. It was very helpful and a lot of really good points were made. So thank you very much for all the feedback.
So we have decided to upgrade to the Tayana 37. We decided that it was too good an opportunity to pass up, so we will be going ahead with the sail.
We have lots of videos of us sailing Kittiwake from the Balearic Islands, which is where the videos are at the moment, all the way to South Sardinia. So these will go live between the autumn and winter, and so there's lots more of Kittiwake coming up on the channel.
So we'll still be sailing on a budget and we'll still be working along the way. We haven't suddenly got tons of money. But the boat isn't a project by any means, it's fairly ready to go. So we'll keep cruising in the new sailing season. There will be a bit of boat work to do obviously, as there is with any new boat, just to make it ours and to make it more suitable for sort of liveaboard cruising. But we won't be going back to land to earn money, and we shouldn't be spending too much time fitting the boat out.
It wasn't an easy decision. There were lots of pros and cons for both options, and you can read all about that on our Patreon page, Sailing Kittiwake. But there are three main reasons why we went with Tiana. First is standing headroom for Ryan especially. He is over 6'3", and it's very hard to find a boat where he can stand up and a berth where he can actually fit in. And the Tiana ticked both boxes. He can stand up anywhere. And in the long term, if we were to stick with Kittiwake, we'd be worried about his back and neck. Even if he washes up the dishes, he just has a really bad backache, even for just a day. So that's a health concern that has always been on our minds. The second one is that we'd like to be able to carry more weight because obviously we're cruisers, we live aboard, and we like to have independence from shore. We don't really want to have to go to towns to stock up on food and water and fuel. We'd rather just stick with anchorages and keep going. Finally, we know that a lot of you guys suggested that we wait and upgrade to a bigger catamaran eventually, but realistically we'll never be able to afford to buy more and maintain a bigger catamaran than Kittiwake. The mooring fees and the maintenance costs would just skyrocket for us, so we're just being realistic about it.
So Kittiwake is for sale. You can see a full description and inventory and the asking price in the link above. She's in sail away condition. You could literally jump on her and sail out to sea and go to Greece or the Balearics or around Sardinia or wherever. And she's been refitted a lot since we've got her, which you'll know if you follow the channel. So just some of the key points. She's got a new engine. It was new in 2016. The bottom was copper coated in spring 2018. The top sides have been repainted. We've installed a new VHF and AIS receiver this year, and she has 560 watts of solar panels.
Kittiwake is in Cagliari, Sardinia, which is in Italy, and you can get direct flights to Cagliari directly from London, Manchester, Paris, Barcelona and many other European destinations. She is currently in a very well protected and fairly priced marina, which is a really ideal position to winter her in. And from here, from Cagliari, we are kind of in the center of the Mediterranean, so you could head east or west in the spring and reach some wonderful destinations.
If you're interested in Kittiwake or know someone who might be, then send us an email at sailingkittiwake@gmail.com, and that email address and all the other details of how to get in touch will be in the description to the video below.
Kittiwake has been an amazing first boat for us, and she's treated us wonderfully. She's been a really wonderful home for us for the past 2 years, and for that reason we have chosen to keep the name of the channel as Sailing Kittiwake and the website as well, in her honor, to just show our appreciation for her, because she made all our dreams come true. Thanks for watching, and we just wanted to give a special thanks to our patrons who got very involved with the decision process, and as well to Carolyn from the Boat Galley and to Margaret and Jeff from Return to Seasons, who have owned or own a Tiana 37 and have given us some really precious advice. So thanks very much, guys.